Alright, who the fuck is this kid? Couple of questions. Is he a kid in my backyard? Who the fuck is he? Why is he smacking that stick against my fucking fence? And why the fuck is he talking to himself? Holy shit. Hope he doesn't see me. What the? There's two of them. What the fuck? Who the fuck is that? What are these kids? Ooh, what the? There he is. What the fuck is going on here? Whoa! Holy shit! Are you fucking kidding me? Who the fuck is that? What the? What the? He just fucking packed him in the. Holy shit! What the? Oh. This is bad. What the? Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. What the? Oh my. He just fucking. Hey!